Okay, this is our project for programming techniques. My name is Juan Jose Beltran, and my partner is Wisner Andre Quiñones. Uh, we are going to show how to use the system and the algorithm. So let's start. We are going to see the first option, and that is user management. So if we click in this, gonna show us all these things that we have right here. And we can create a new user, search for a user that already is inscribed in the library, edit a user and delete a user, all the CRUD petitions, and list all the users that we have. If I click this, gonna show you us all these names and the ID with the numbers. So I'm going to create a new user. So I put in this the ID 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Damn, that that didn't type in 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. And the name is Carlos Torres. I'm gonna save. Okay, this is an exception. The name Carlos Torres ya exists, is already inscribed, so we can put the name again. We're going to click again. Okay, create a user 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we're gonna call for another name, uh, Juan Martinez. Save. This advice right there tell us that the usuario Juan Martinez was aggregated correctly. We have another options in this point. Search for a user. We're gonna put the ID. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and show us the user with the name Andre. We can edit all the users. I'm going to put the same 1, 2, 3, 4 for Andre, and we can edit the name. So Andre Estupiñán. Es, okay. Estupiñán. And this advice say to us that the user was modified correctly, and we can delete the user. So I'm going to delete Andre. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to eliminate Andre Estupiñán? Yes. User eliminated. So if we're going to here and list the users, Andre is now available now. So is this is the first page of the first option of the algorithm, management of the users. Okay, this is the second option of our menu, the book management, and is the same. We can create a book, find a book, edit a book, delete a book, and list all the books that we have. Uh, if I click in this, it's gonna show us all the books that we already have. We have Libro de Prueba, Atlantis, the Lost Continent. This is the title of the book and the author's name. The stock is the quantity of books that we already have in the library, and the price. The weight too. This is the weight in kilograms. This is a pound, and 2 kilos. This is all. And the ESBN, that is like a ID. So we are going to create a book. The ISBN is where we can put 1, 2, 3, 4,
and 5. The title, Jumanji. The author's name, Daniel Arias. This we can have 5 books of that. The price, 24,000, and the weight we are going to put 1 kilogram. So uh, this in which stand we are going to put, and I'm going to put this in the second stand, and say they say that the book Jumanji was already assigned to second stand and the state is optim. So okay, this is the evaluation of the second stand. We are going to talk of this later, but this is stand. In management, we can edit a book again. So I'm going to put the same that we already created there. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jumanji. Okay, it's not more Arias. Is Salazar. Uh, oops. Uh, Save the changes. And the book was correctly modified. If I want to list all the books again and delete the books, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was our test book. Uh, Delete the book Jumanji. Yes, the book was already eliminated. So if we uh, find the book, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, he's not more in all this time. The video just stopped in the moment that we evaluated this edit the stand. So we are going to modify a stand, the name of the stand when it is already one, and we are going to put the new name is going to be 45, and the stand was renamed 45. So if we look here, list stands, 45 was this right here that already was one. So we are going to modify again because I don't want to have a stand that his name is 45. We can put one again, and that's it. We can eliminate a stand. Uh, I am going to eliminate the fourth stand, and is deleted. So if we list all these that we already know, and my partner Andre is going to show us how to this function of the library uh, is already mm, going to explain how is this function. Something that I overlooked in book management was the global report option. So we are going to see what happens if we click in this. If we click, it's going to show us all the books, but in descending form from the which one who has the most cost. So the last one. The first one is Análisis y Diseño de Algoritmos of Gonzalo Navarro. Is in the third stand and have 2 books available. And the last one is Hustle Boys of Arthur Haley in the stand too. Uh, Only 2 books, and the value is 2,000 pesos. I'm going to quit this, and we're going in management of all these stands. We can create a stand. The stand name is gonna be 4 because we already have 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put OK. This stand for was created. Uh, Only 4 books of capacity. Uh,
Okay, I'm Enrique Quiñones and I'm going to explain the celebration parameter. This works by entering the name of the cell you want to evaluate. In this class, I'm choosing cell 1 and the programming prints its state, which it determines by performing two algorithms. A brute force algorithm that finds combination of four boots that say 8 kilograms and a backtracking algorithm that seeks to maximize the total weight of boots. Combina- Combination that do not exceed 8 kilograms. Now, we'll move on the load measurement. Load measurement include the ability to add a new load. Where do I request the user ID and the boots ISBN and the load period? Now, we continue with the management of this system. It also includes searching for loads, listing loads, and restoring boots. To search for loads, you need the user ID, and the boots they have borrowed will be displayed. To return a boot, you need the user ID and the boot's number. Finally, we have the reservation management section, which includes a filter to create a new reservation where the user information and the ISBN are entered. It also has a section that records the date the boot was reserved. Additionally, it includes search, cancellation, and reservation listing function. The search process is done using the user ID. To create a reservation, the user enters the boot's ISBN and then their name. Finally, the listing function prints a reservation made.